Whoa, do you see it? We're gonna make a hand washing experiment and we're gonna show JJ what is the effect of hand washing in fighting COVID-19. So what we will need is a bowl of water and black.
No, take the bread.
Okay, and this is what's this? It's black pepper. And what's this? It's
The soap.
It's-
Don't take the soap.
yes, don't drink the soap. We're gonna use this later, okay? Okay, so what we will do first is we will put the black pepper here. Jay, look here. Here, oh. Put the black pepper in the water like this. So the black pepper represents the COVID-19 virus. Look, it's so dirty. Okay, it's so dirty. And then COVID-19 is a virus, so it's bad for your health. So you touch it. You haven't washed your hands, so you put your hands inside the bowl like this. Look. Ooh, what happened? Your hand got dirty. See, this is the virus, and when you touch Daddy, the virus goes to Daddy. Oh no! But what we'll do is we will wash our hands with soap. Okay, let's put soap on your hands like this, and then look at the bowl. Look what happens to the virus if you put soap. Watch this. Whoa! Do you see it? Do you see it? There. See? So the better you wash your hands, the more the virus goes away like this. Whoa! See? It's getting cleaner. Okay? So it's important to wash your hands, right, Jay? Say up. Okay. Let's wash your hands with soap. And then we're gonna wash it with clean water. And that's it for this video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.